Hey, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful to be able to teach people how to use essential oils to make their own gifts this year for Christmas.
Woo!
Our November recipe box is all about making your own gifts to give to loved ones.
You're gonna love the fun accessories in this box.
Let's check it out. In every monthly box, we give you 4 essential oils, extras, recipe cards, and stickers. Let's check out what's in the November box. This month's box essential oils comes with candy cane, cassia, lime, and winter spice essential oils. Our extras are lavender, these really beautiful test tubes that we're going to use to store one of our ingredient recipes in, 2 lip balm tubes, and gift tags to help you label your recipes. Of course, with our labels and recipe cards.
And as a new subscriber, you get a big bonus box. So our bonus box comes with beeswax, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, solid coconut oil, 6 of our 10 milliliter roll-ons, and 6 of our 5 milliliter amber bottles to make all of your diffuser recipes.
Shiloh, what's your favorite recipe in this month's box?
My favorite is the candy cane lip balm. I'm so excited about this guy.
It's so great for kids. You can have fun making it with kids and grandkids. And my girls love lip balm.
Plus you can give them away as gifts.
My favorite recipe in this month's box are DIY air dry clay diffuser ornaments. They come out this really pretty white color, but you can use paint or stamps to decorate them however you would like. And this is another great activity to do with your kids. I'm Katie.
And I'm
We
Shyla.
love teaching people how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, and you are going to love the recipes you get to make in this month's box.
Plus you can give away some of the items in your box as gifts. If you want to learn more about our recipe box, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You're going to love it.
See you later.